Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use a built-in compass in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and click on edge panels and then click on panels. Now from this list, select tools. After selecting tools, go back to your home screen and then open edge panel. Now swipe left to open tools, and from here you can use built-in compass. So now you can see this is how you can use built-in compass in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.